That's pretty cool.
If you like pina coladas.
And getting caught in the rain.
Getting caught in the rain.
If you're not into yoga.
If you're not into yoga.
I don't know what
I
else
don't
he
either.
says.
It's a great song.
I only know it because of the Adam Sandler movie.
Yeah. Low gear, 4-wheel for me. Let's see what we can cook up here. Oh, there's a closed trail to the left. Not even on my map.
Better take it.
Yeah, better take it.
Back road.
Yep. Here's a water hole.
I'm right on your butt, sorry.
Alright. It's still just a hair bit chilly. The weather is, yeah, it's super nice, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't know.
Why does it seem like almost every time we come to Brock, it's wet and it has just rained? You know what I mean?
Because it's the holy water, it's the holy place. Here in Jerusalem.
Whoa, little camping spot. Oh, right here's the road. Yeah.
That wind is chilly.
Well, that wind's a little chilly, ain't it? Is it chilly, Willie?
Chilly Willy.
I wonder what the temperature is right now. What was it when we got out of the truck?
Huh?
What was the temperature when we got out of the truck?
47?
47. All right. All right. Here we go again. A little bit of hiking today. We're parked right on the trail. Oh, I was just talking to YouTube.
I don't know if we're going to be able to get down. But I just want to check it out. That's pretty cool.
Just for perspective, what we just walked down, we ain't even to the creek yet. And that's not the waterfall we came to see, by the way. Pretty cool though. Cool cave up there, or ledge, rock ledge really. Yeah. This is what you could see in the Ozarks if you come after a good rain. It rained probably an inch or two last night. Really not that much, honestly. But all the creeks are really full and the waterfalls are flowing beautifully. Isn't that the coolest thing you ever seen? Well, we made it back up the mountain. It was a hike, wasn't it, Josh? That was bad. What do you got there, man? Ooh, the good stuff. What else do we have in the cooler today? Ho! So this is what you went with, huh?
Yes, sir.
You like that teriyaki?
Not bad.
Cool. Oh, that ain't teriyaki, is it? That's just, huh?
Oh, man.
That's just original.
I screwed up.
You did screw up. What's this right here? Ooh, kisses.
With almonds.
Wonder where my beef jerky went. There it is. This is the one I got. And I got Diet Mountain Dews. You got Cokes. I'm going to hit myself with a Diet Mountain Dew. All right, let's take a little breather. Yeah, this will take us to a trail. Hey, I think I got marked on this particular road, a trail that we passed up a time or two.
Yes, sir.
Not real sure, though. No more reason than that.
Right.
Oh, we got a tame, high-speed, quote-unquote trail here. It is not really a trail. But you run into these sometimes that they kind of convert. I don't remember the last time we went down here. Hump.
Yep. Big old mud hole.
Cool. Yeah, this is a pretty good trail.
Yeah.
We've been on this one quite a few times.
Sure. They have torn this area up.
Yeah. Bunch of mud holes, ain't there?
Yep.
That's funny.
Sure.
Yep.
Whoops.
Oh, man. Wow. All the single track guys have been down here. I just seen their tracks.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, we got ourselves a split.
Got a split, yeah. I knew we'd come up on one. I'll have to look at the map real quick. See
Yes,
where we
sir.
Oh, we want to go straight here. Yeah, go straight. I don't even have to look at the map here. That's actually a really good trail to the right, but we don't need it today. Or not right now. Put it together.
Gotcha. I feel like we've been up this.
Oh, 1,000 times.
Okay. Alright. Well, that's why it felt familiar.
Yep. Yeah, typically we're going up it, not down it.
Right.
Rugged, man.
Huh?
Rugged.
Yes, sir. And treacherous.
Yeah. Got real treacherous. Hey, where are we eating tonight, Josh?
Hey, David's Burgers, right?
David's Burgers. Absolutely.
Only the best.
Who's missing out? Who do you think's missing out?
Matthew.
Matthew. That's what you get for not coming.
Everybody that's not here.
That's true. David's Burgers. Gonna be great.
Maybe some Andes if there's room left.
Ooh, that's evil. That might be more than I can handle.
Yeah. Like I said, if there's room left.
If there's room. And there could be.
If not, then we will survive.
You know, the heart wants what the heart wants.
That's right.
Oh yeah, no problems. No problems. Hard bottom, hard bottom.
Sure.
Yeah, Brockcreek is it's a unique trail system, isn't it, Josh?
Yes, sir.
Lots of pine
It's a good
trees,
one.
lots of rocks, very rugged terrain. Yeah, it's a good place to ride. We thoroughly enjoy it. I tell you where I want to go back to, Josh. I want to go back to that crazy freaking trail we did at night that was like a rutted out canyon ravine.
Yeah, dude.
That was nuts. In
That was
Moccasin
cool.
Gap. That was nuts, man.
Go left.
Oh yeah, I remember this area. Yeah. Those ruts there have been there for a long time.
Yes, sir. Rock section here.
Yep.
Up an old pair of sunglasses, safety glasses or something.
No kidding. Sure enough.
Yep.
Oh man.
Just the lenses.
Yep.
Somebody's been through here recently. Look at it.
Yeah, I want to say Bullet and his crew was going out there, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
I think they took this up and went around a few trails.
Gotcha.
Yeah, pretty sure.
Yeah.
He just got his machine back rolling.
Oh, yeah, what was wrong with it?
Bushings and I know bushings. I want to say bearings too. I can't remember. Oh, an axle. He had a ripped boot, CB boot.
Oh, yeah.
I can't remember what all. It was.
Gotcha.
It was pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty good amount of work, but he got it back going, so that's good.
Yep.
Creeks are running good, man.
Yes, sir. Here's a split.
You know, that's a trail we've never been down, Josh. Let me see where that thing goes. I'm pretty
Yes,
sure
sir.
it's just a little crap trail. You want to?
Yep.
Let me look just a second.
52.
Yeah, we've never been down that trail ever. It doesn't lead to anywhere.
Gotcha, gotcha.
I don't care to hit it if you want.
Nope, I'm gonna leave it up to you.
Just keep rolling.
You are the trail
hit
master.
it. Why not?
Okay.
Why not? Heck, it ain't gonna hurt us none. Go down that thing. What's the problem with it? You know, I want to say
Not
Bullet.
right.
I want to say Bullet was hitting up 52.
Oh, yeah?
I want to say they were coming down here. Is there tracks? Maybe not.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, there's wide tracks. Look at that. Tire
Yeah, sure
track,
enough.
tire track.
Yeah, it's probably them, man. They probably came down through here. Holy crap. Yeah, this little trail don't lead to nowhere. That's why we've never taken it. Just takes you back out to the gravel road, essentially.
Gotcha.
Maybe it's a good trail, though.
Yeah, not
Heck,
bad.
so far it looks good.
I'm gonna switch to low.
You filming?
I
Hey.
will.
Yeah, man, you
There we
might
go.
as well. I gotta get some of that Joshua action.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, nice little hill climb out here. I'm glad we took it now.
I like it.
About as rugged as it gets.
There's somebody's stand.
The redneck deer stand, if I've ever seen one.
Yeah, man.
Hey man, if it works, it works.
Sure, gets the job done.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna switch back to high.
Yeah, I just did. Snaking around, ain't it?
Yes, sir. Alright, there's a little fire pit.
Cool. Yeah, it should be the gravel road here to the right pretty quick.
Another fire pit. There's the road.
Man, that's some cool little camping spots, ain't they? Okay, trail number 6758123C-1.
Nice.
Folks, we went down here a long time ago, and a dear friend of ours had just bought a brand new Honda four-wheeler, and he stupidly let his brother-in-law drive it on this trail. We got down here and his brother-in-law just dove off into the water. Yeah, keep going to the left. Yeah, sure. Let's take this. It was a funny thing that happened that day. About sunk that brand new bike. I wasn't filming at the time. I wish I had been.
Haha, whitetail.
Yeah, we jumped you know what? He ain't even scared, is he?
No, he stopped up there.
He's just checking me out, man.
That's cool, man.
Yep. There he goes. He must have been napping, man.
Yeah.
He laying down, wasn't he?
Up from his slumber.
Yeah, at the bottom of this trail, there's a spot. Pretty gnarly. We'll see. Yeah, that's deep right there. I went through that hole. Yep. I can't remember what bike I was on. I might have been on my new Cowie. I can't remember at the time. Yeah, I dove off in there in two-wheel drive or something. I mean, it's not deep. It's just mucky, you know.
Yep, nice creek.
So. I'll say this about these tires: they don't like to grip as good when you're turning. My Cowie, man, maybe this front end just, I don't know. My Cowie, man, you turn the wheels, it was pretty much going that direction in whatever terrain.
Yeah.
Maybe it's just this machine, the displacement of it or something. I don't know, but it kind of slides around in this real slick stuff. Front end doesn't.
I like sliding around for me.
Oh, I do too. I do too, but not the front end. In other words,
yeah.
I'm turning left to right, and this thing is going straight.
It's pushing?
Yeah, it's pushing.
I don't know if I have that issue or not.
Yeah. Kind of weird.
Yeah.
Holy crap. That's a cant. Obviously a well-traveled trail.
Yep. It's nice.
Nice and wide, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, here comes that spot. This is that spot where Smith just about sunk Bab's new four-wheeler, man. Lost his sandal. Dude had
Here it is.
dude
I
was
remember.
barefoot. Oh, I wonder if we can cross there. Yeah, I know
You
why.
like to go
I know why you're getting over.
I don't like it's all
Holy
muddy.
crap!
Man.
This might be deep, dude. I don't know that we can cross this.
That's why I don't think.
This ain't looking.
I don't know.
This ain't.